Hi everyone, this is Anson from AnsonAlex.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the age of a particular web page using Google. So here we are in Google, and I'm not talking about the age of the actual domain. So you'll notice that I've done a Google search and I have this result right here from my website. I happen to know it would come up at the top, and you'll notice that there's no date for this web page. It says when I last visited it, and of course we can find out pretty much the age of the domain by clicking on these three little dots. And then looking at some of the info here, we can see that my domain, AnsonAlex.com, was first indexed by Google more than 10 years ago, but there's no information about when Google first found this particular page. And if you click on more about this page, it'll open up this whole thing about me and my website, but there's still no info about when this page was actually added. So let me show you how you can figure that out. Let's go back here, and let's go ahead and let's copy the URL of this particular page. And I'm going to go to the new tab that I have open here. If we take a look up at my address bar, I have a particular URL, and it looks kind of gobbledygooky. But this URL, if we use this correctly, will tell us the date that Google first indexed the web page we're trying to find. So you'll notice that there's this part right here that says URL goes here. So if I just highlight that part, I'm going to leave this to F. So it starts with the U. URL goes here, and I'm going to post this link in the description of this video here on YouTube, and I'm also going to add it to my website, and I'm going to try and build a tool so you don't even have to use this URL. You can just enter a website, click find age of web page, and it tells you the age. But that's coming in the future, so stay tuned for that. So I'm just going to paste the URL that I copied into this part of this whole URL that I have up here in my browser, and then I'm just going to tap enter. And you'll notice that for this particular article, it now says 8 days ago right here. And if this were, say, like 2 months ago, it would say the actual date that it was published. It wouldn't say 8 days ago. But you'll notice when we go back to the original results, close this little window, it didn't say 8 days ago here. It did not give me the publication date. So this is very useful for those of you who are doing some SEO research and you want to know maybe when a competitor's page was first published. Obviously, you can look in your own database and find out when your pages were published. But this is great for finding out when other people's pages were first, maybe not published, but indexed by Google. So I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for the web page age tool that I have coming down the road on AnsonAlex.com. If you found the video helpful, I would really appreciate a thumbs up here on YouTube. And if you want to see more technology tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all I have for you for now. This is Anson from AnsonAlex.com.